Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into something truly extraordinary, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome. This is not your regular SUV or even a standard luxury RV. This is a rolling palace on wheels, a perfect blend of Toyota's legendary toughness with Century-level luxury and full motorhome capabilities. If you love over-the-top vehicles that turn heads and offer unmatched comfort on long journeys, then stay with me because this review is going to be detailed and exciting. Let's start with the first impression as you walk up to this beast. From the front, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome looks absolutely commanding. The massive chrome grille dominates the view with the bold Toyota lettering right across the top and that iconic Century Eagle emblem sitting proudly in the center. The grille is flanked by ultra-modern LED headlights that stretch horizontally with sharp, futuristic light signatures that light up the road like nothing else. Below the grille, you have a protective skid plate with the model nameplate, Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome, clearly visible, giving it that official flagship status. The front bumper is sculpted with large air intakes and subtle chrome accents that add to the premium feel, while keeping the rugged Land Cruiser DNA alive. The hood is long and muscular, flowing seamlessly into the enormous windshield that offers incredible visibility for the driver. Overall, the front face screams power, luxury, and presence. It looks like a futuristic semi-truck that decided to become a five-star hotel on wheels. Now move to the side profile, and this is where the sheer size of this vehicle hits you. This thing is massive, stretching out with multiple axles and at least 6 large alloy wheels that are beautifully designed with multi-spoke chrome finishes. The body is finished in this deep, glossy black paint that reflects everything around it like a mirror. The cabin area has a sleek, aerodynamic shape with a slightly raised roofline that flows back into the massive living quarters. You'll notice huge panoramic windows along the side that let in plenty of natural light into the living areas. Chrome side mirrors are power adjustable and heated, and they fold automatically. Running boards are integrated smoothly and light up when you approach, making entry and exit easy despite the height. The side also features subtle air vents and badging that highlight the hybrid Powertrain and Century branding. The overall silhouette is both aggressive and elegant, like a high-end yacht on land. It has that perfect balance between a heavy-duty truck and a luxury limousine stretched to motorhome proportions. Coming to the rear, the back of the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome is equally impressive and well thought out. You have full-width LED taillights that wrap around the corners with a distinctive light pattern. The rear features a large tailgate area that can probably lower down as a ramp or provide access to storage compartments. There are multiple parking sensors, a high-resolution rear camera, and even a 360-degree camera system indicator. The exhaust outlets are neatly tucked away, keeping the rear clean and premium. You'll also notice the Toyota emblem and Land Cruiser Century badging at the back. The rear bumper is reinforced yet stylish, with reflectors and additional lighting for safety during night towing or parking. This vehicle is clearly designed for long highway journeys and off-road adventures while maintaining a sophisticated look everywhere you see it. Step inside, and you are immediately transported into a world of pure luxury. The interior of the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome is something else. Up front, the driver and passenger seats are captain's chairs upholstered in the softest tan leather with perfect stitching and power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. The dashboard is a masterpiece of wood, leather, and brushed metal finishes with a massive digital instrument cluster and a huge central touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate and entertainment. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather with Century badging and multi-function controls, but the real magic happens in the living quarters behind the cockpit. This motorhome section feels like a high-end apartment. You have plush sofas that convert into beds, a full dining area with a large table, and a gourmet kitchen equipped with a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and plenty of storage. The bathroom is spa-like with a shower, toilet, and vanity. There are multiple sleeping areas, including a king-size master bed at the rear, with privacy curtains and mood lighting. Ambient lighting throughout creates different atmospheres, and the large windows with electric shades give you control over privacy and views. The sound system is top tier, with speakers placed strategically for immersive audio. Climate control is zoned so every section stays at the perfect temperature. Materials everywhere are the highest quality: real wood, soft-touch plastics, and Alcantara accents. It's quiet, refined, and incredibly comfortable even after hundreds of kilometers on the road. Now let's talk about performance, because this vehicle is not just about looks and comfort. The 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome is powered by a sophisticated hybrid powertrain, most likely combining a powerful V6 or V8 petrol engine with electric motors to deliver smooth, effortless power. Expect around 400 to 500 horsepower combined, with massive torque available from low RPMs, perfect for highway cruising and light off-roading. The suspension is air adjustable, so you can raise or lower the vehicle depending on the terrain or for easier loading. It comes with full-time four-wheel drive, multiple drive modes including Eco, Normal, Sport, and Off-Road settings, plus crawl control and hill descent assist. Despite its size, the steering is surprisingly precise, and the braking system with large discs provides confident stopping power. Fuel efficiency should be decent for its class thanks to the hybrid system, and the range is extended with a large fuel tank. This motorhome can comfortably handle long cross-country trips, desert runs, or mountain passes while keeping occupants relaxed. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome sits in the ultra-luxury segment. In international markets, you can expect a starting price around $450,000 to $650,000 depending on options and customization. In Pakistan, once it arrives through official or grey channels, the on-road price could easily cross 15 to 25 crore rupees after duties and customization. That sounds expensive, but you are getting a vehicle that combines the reliability of a Land Cruiser with the living space of a premium motorhome. Optional packages for further customization like solar panels, satellite internet, upgraded entertainment, or even a small garage for a secondary vehicle can push the price higher. Toyota's legendary durability means this investment will hold its value well over the years. My suggestions for potential buyers: if you are someone who travels a lot with family or friends and wants unmatched comfort without staying in hotels every night, this is perfect. Add some off-road accessories like all-terrain tires and roof racks if you plan to explore remote areas. For pure luxury use, go for additional sound deadening and entertainment upgrades. Always get a thorough PDI and consider extended warranty. If budget is a concern, look for slightly used examples in the future, but new ones will give you the latest tech and peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser Century Motorhome is a dream machine that redefines what a luxury vehicle can be. It combines Toyota's bulletproof reliability with Century opulence and full motorhome functionality in one stunning package. Whether you are cruising on highways or parked in a scenic location, this vehicle makes every journey memorable. If you enjoyed this detailed review, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we have more exciting car reviews coming. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beast and if you would love to own one. Until next time, drive safe and keep chasing your dreams.